Okay, guys, welcome back. We have from the next part of probability is complementary events. Complementary events, anything that complements another is always basically the other party has attributes or characteristics that the other doesn't. Okay, so in relationships, spouses complement each other because one has strengths where the other one's doesn't. In probability, the complementary is basically the opposite of whatever the outcome that you are looking for. And if that makes no sense to you, I'll go through some examples. So let's say that there's a the let's say that the probability of rain happening is say 60% chance. Okay, so then the probability that complements that, okay, that rain not happening would be whatever's left over, 40%, okay? Because 60 plus 40 is equal to 100%, all right? So that's what complementary events are. And usually the probability in this case for rain happening, we could say it's 0.6 in decimal form, and in shorthand, the probability of rain not happening. So this little dash on the top, that is, I guess, a very clear symbol to say the complement of the other, okay, is 0.4. Hopefully that makes sense. Let's go to an example over here. We've got 70 Year 9 students that were surveyed, and their ages range from 13 to 15 years, as shown in the table below. Okay, and so the student from the group is selected at random. Find the probability selecting a student of the age of 13. The first thing is we know that there's 70 kids here. Okay, age 13, the total is 17. So we could say that 17 out of the 70 is the probability of selecting a student that is 13 years of age. With part B, probability of not selecting a student of 13 years of age would obviously be everything else, okay? So then 35 plus 17 is going to be 45, 53. The other option is 70 take away 17 is also going to be your 53 over 70, okay? It's whatever's left over. So in shorthand, you could say that, if I were to write probability of 13 or the probability of not 13, okay? Probability of selecting a 15-year-old boy, we've got here is 18. And so to get 18 out of 70 is going to be the probability. Always want to simplify where possible. So we'll halve it, 9 over 35. Okay, so 9 over 35 is going to be the probability of selecting a 15-year-old boy. In shorthand, we could say the probability of 15. And in this case here, we could say the probability of not getting 15 is going to be the remainder. Okay, now the remainder of 18 over 70 is going to be 52. So 52 over 70, we could also halve that to make it 26 over 35, all right? By simplifying that fraction all the way down. So hopefully that helped you guys. That's complementary events. It's a fairly simple concept. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.